The date was Sunday, November 17th, 2013. Many across the region and in communities like Washington and here in Gifford, Illinois, were getting a jump on the Thanksgiving holiday by hosting family celebrations. Others were just finishing their Sunday dinner. It was November 17th. That's a month and a day in which one would not expect a strong series of thunderstorms, and certainly not the development of potentially deadly tornadoes.
By the weekend, the Storm Prediction Center began to see the weather models predict a huge increase in instability for a large area of the Midwest, including central and east central Illinois. By early in the weekend, all of the ingredients which would contribute to an outbreak of severe weather began to show up as a cluster of strong storms that tracked eastward on Saturday and strengthened across the plains into mid-Illinois. By that Sunday morning, the area of a high risk of severe storms had increased to include over 18 million people across the Midwest and the Great Lakes. A series of supercell thunderstorms moved across the plains and into mid-Illinois during the morning and into the midday on Sunday. And what was to occur that afternoon would be the deadliest and costliest tornado outbreak to ever occur in the month of November in Illinois. Bloomington saw large hail. Others saw damaging winds. The first tornadoes from this storm system developed in central, then east central Illinois. The Peoria area saw heavy damage, but in Washington, a total of 633 homes, 7 businesses, 7 apartment buildings, and 2,500 vehicles were destroyed. The area hit by the tornado included 5,000 people, and only 1 person was killed during the storm, but 2 others died of injuries later. In Gifford, the time was around 1 o'clock. When an incoming storm dropped a funnel cloud out of the sky, which became a tornado just west of Thomasboro, then proceeded to move across the midsection of Gifford on the edge of the downtown.
We heard the sirens go off, but the sirens have gone off in my life, 50 times.
And I thought I was going to take a right turn, but it came right at us and got closer and closer and started picking things up and throwing them.
And I saw it coming down Main Street, just all the debris and everything just flying.
The Gifford tornado was classified as an EF3 with estimated peak winds at up to 140 miles an hour. The Washington tornado was an EF4 with winds up to at least 166 miles an hour.
Washington and Gifford weren't the only locations seeing tornadoes and severe thunderstorms on that day.
Just across mid-Illinois, other tornadoes and severe storms brought devastation as well. Tornadoes were reported at or near Pekin, East Peoria, Litchfield, Pana, Williamsburg, Garrett, Tuscola, Broadlands, Villa Grove, Allerton, and Westville.
The lessons one can take from this storm are ones we've all heard before and can be summed up with one word: prepare. Prepare by planning ahead with your family so that everyone knows what to do, and when it's all over, where to meet so everyone can be accounted for. Watch News Channel 20 or Fox Illinois to stay informed on a regular basis so you won't be caught by surprise. It's by taking measures now and being prepared that will keep you from being a severe weather statistic. I'm Doug Quick.